So we're ESCO, we're a $1 billion manufacturing company. We manufacture steel. We are on 6 continents and 19 countries. We have about 70 locations, about 4,000 people. We're in the process of moving up to Office 365, primarily in SharePoint and Exchange. SharePoint is our primary collaboration tool, so it has a lot of our trademarked data on it, including some of our IP. We needed to secure that data once it was up in the cloud, and so we started to look at various options. We had an installed SecureAuth installation already. We felt that SecureAuth really was the best fit for us, so we were able to expand the SecureAuth installation to include better user experience, better user performance, as well as providing that security of our data once it's up into SharePoint. So the justification really came around the security portion of it. SecureAuth provided us a better security model than just moving up to the cloud with a username and password. The ability for us to utilize the enhanced functionality of SecureAuth in order to provide a better user experience in terms of ways to authenticate, ways to fingerprint someone, really was an easy cost justification when we talked about how do we secure that data, considering it is our intellectual property. With the new functionality that we brought within SecureAuth, including some of the newest functionality such as true single sign-on, the mobile app, users don't have to necessarily go through that one-time password process anymore. If they are on site or if they are already from a trusted device, it will just let them straight through. It's completely transparent to them, whereas in the past, they'd constantly have to put in a token code or a one-time password type of thing. The ability for single sign-on, the ability to use a mobile app versus having to log into a separate email account has really increased the user experience. We get a lot less complaints about people having the VPN in or access to our learning management system. It's driven support calls down. I would say all of our employees are really pleased with the new capabilities that we've been rolling out with SecureAuth.